So that's the end of the Cataracts trail. It's gonna get a little rough from here until we get to the AT. This isn't my favorite section, but it's a bit enduring. I feel accomplished when I get through it. It's not the worst thing in the world, but in a little bit, it's just gonna get a little overgrown. It's basically just gonna be following a creek bed. So yeah, it'll be fun. Let's go. So the trail's still nice and wide for a little bit after the Cataracts trail ends. And then it gets pretty narrow for a bit. And if I remember correctly, last time I hiked this trail, I was going at a decent pace. I think it took me from the beginning of the trailhead to the AT, it took me like 2 hours. I don't know if I was just resting a lot or if that's typical. I don't recall the mileage between those 2 points at the moment, but I guess we'll see today. I haven't done a whole lot of filming, just a little bit, so try and figure out how many hours it takes to get at a decent pace from the Cataracts beginning trailhead to the AT. A lot of little creek crossings today. Absolutely the perfect spring weather for hiking. It feels so good right now. It's probably only maybe 45, 50 degrees, I didn't check, but it's warming up a little. It feels amazing. The birds are singing. The water is just rushing by. It's absolutely awesome. Alright, so this is where it starts to get a little hairy. It's basically just super wet, so definitely waterproof boots or hiking shoes, maybe with some gaiters. And yeah, I can see the blue blazes, but it starts to get a little bit unmarked here as far as if you're staring at the ground, so make sure you're looking up at the trees. Hey guys, so I'm about a quarter mile to the AT. I'm on the Frye Brook Trail right now. It's a beautiful day. I'm feeling good. I'm in a section right now that's walking on top of slab, a little bit of a grade, a little bit of a steep grade, mossy and wet, so I'm being super careful with my footing. But yeah, I'm gonna hit the AT about that 2-hour mark again. So the amount of times that I stop and record and adjust or take my coat off, all that stuff adds up, and apparently 2 hours is my typical time to get from the Cataracts trailhead to the AT on the Baldpate hike here from East Andover. I'm having a great day. Can't wait to get to the top. So I'm coming up on what looks like the second major blowdown on the trail. I didn't record the last one, so we'll see. Should be easy enough to go around.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right?
So I finally made it to the AT. So here's the turnoff for the Frye Brook Trail that I was on. And then of course, the beautiful, legendary Appalachian Trail. Getting close to Little Baldpate. We'll see how long it takes. Okay, so I summited Little Baldpate. And now I'm heading up to the East Peak. Just a little bit more to go.